Ready?
Chief Racing P1 fountain color scheme, 34 inches. Well, that's what they get. This is ready to run.
Stop.
This is the ready to run section. This is how it comes out of the box. With our modifications. Actually, it will not run this good out of the box unless you know how to tune it. But hence the ready to run section that everyone wanted. This is by popular demand.
That's how they come stock.
For $100 extra, it will run when you buy it. But this is how it's going to run. We do not recommend any of the parts inside this hull, just the hull.